Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. You're watching for Tech. So this is the new modified fingerprint icons and the animations for Oneplus devices running with the rooted OxygenOS 14 to OxygenOS 16. Last time we uploaded a video on our channel with added 35 new fingerprint icons with the animations for devices running from OxygenOS 14 to 16. But I got this new module which has more refined, bigger fingerprint icons and animations that stays slightly longer while unlocking the device. This gives a more pleasant experience as compared to the previous fingerprint mod video. So we'll quickly check out the preview of all the fingerprints, their changes and which new fingerprint icons we'll get in this mod. At the end I will tell you one possible way to use it without root. Now without further delay, let's get started. In this video, we have provided 35 new fingerprint and the animations for rooted OnePlus devices running from OxygenOS 14 to OxygenOS 16. But that mod had small fingerprint icons and a short unlock animation duration. The PUI theme developers have now released another module with the same fingerprint style but in a modified version. This one has a bigger lock screen fingerprint icons and the fingerprint unlock animation which stays visible for a longer duration after unlocking the device. Here you can check out all the fingerprint icons, but remember that some extra fingerprint styles are missing in this mod as compared to previous one. Here you can see the Decade K-Touch21 now has a bigger fingerprint icon, and while unlocking the device its animation stays slightly longer after unlocking as compared to the previous module version. I especially liked this unique fingerprint icon style, which now has a beautiful butterfly fingerprint icon with an amazing flying butterfly unlock animation that is clearly visible as compared to the previous mod. Similarly, the Cyberpunk Phantom Liberty fingerprint icon is the same, but its animation looks very nice. Next is a Genshin Goba. It has a bigger fingerprint icon and its animation looks very nice. The next one is a Dragon Ball fingerprint icon and animation, which is slightly bigger and smoother as compared to the previous mod version. This is Ken Queen fingerprint icon and its animation. I didn't show this in a previous video because it's available with both the root and without root mods. Without root mod video link is given in the iCard. In this version, its animation is bigger and it has slightly more duration, giving nice visual effect while unlocking the device. Similarly, the Kane Queen Driving Thunder fingerprint version has big fingerprint icon and animation. This is the new Wutao Spirit Soother fingerprint style, which has slightly bigger fingerprint icon size and its animation also looks clear and very good. This is Genshin Paimon fingerprint style, which also has a nice looking icon and animation. This mod includes 30 fingerprint styles from old mod version, which had 35 fingerprint style, but this version has much bigger lock screen fingerprint icons and the animation visual effect with the slightly more seconds of animation, which gives the better effect while unlocking your device using under display fingerprint. Only 3 new fingerprint styles are added in this module version, like this mixed fingerprint style. The next one is new Serapine fingerprint animation that has a nice unlock animation effect. And the last one is a FlyMyOS fingerprint style, but it doesn't show any kind of animation effect. Let's check out how to use this mod. You need rooted OxygenOS 14 to OxygenOS 16 device. It works on Magic's A-Patch and the Kernel's rooted devices. Just install the module and reboot your device. It's recommended to use a boot loop protector module to avoid the boot loop if this module is not compatible with your device. Also, you must uninstall the previous fingerprint mod version to avoid the conflicts with this version. Many users are asking for the non-rooted fingerprint solution, but currently it's not possible without root. However, OxygenOS 14 users can unpack this module zip and can try to install the fingerprint APKs manually. If they get installed, it may work only for OxygenOS 14 devices, not for OxygenOS 15 and 16 users. That's all for today, guys. Hope you liked our work. Then please do like, hype, and share this video. Subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon for notifications of our upcoming content related to OnePlus and OxygenOS. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.